Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special video and it's by Decor and Home Lifestyle and it's a fall tag and that was created by Lady Allie. So I'm going to be making a DIY using these loose gems that I purchased at Dollar Tree. While I'm making this wreath, we're going to go ahead and answer the tag questions and there are 13 of them, so I better get started. Okay. So the first question is, why did you name your channel or your channels what you did? Okay, I named my channel The Grace Life because I need grace on a daily basis just to make it through the day, and that's honestly speaking. So I decided to name my channel The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So the second question was, what is your channel about? Well, it originally started doing come with me's at Dollar Tree, and then it turned out that I was shopping pretty much at any budget-friendly store. I also like doing hauls and I love doing DIYs. And so that's mostly what my channel is about, but I do include other stuff outside of that. So the next question was, is fall your favorite season? Why or why not? It is absolutely my favorite season. I live here in Pennsylvania. I love the cold temperatures and I just love the change of the leaves, the colors. I just love everything about the fall. So yes, it is my favorite season. Okay, so question number 4 was, what would you like to do during the fall that you don't normally get to do? Well, I usually take that time out to do a lot of family stuff. Cooking, I like to go shopping, prepare for Thanksgiving. I just enjoy pumpkin picking and doing things of that nature, especially the shopping. So question number 5 is this your favorite channel? It absolutely is. I know that Lady Allie has 3 channels and I pretty much keep up with all 3 channels. I love the Master's Influence channel, and so yes, I love the bling, the glam, and everything that comes with it. She's absolutely wonderful. So question number 6 is, do you celebrate Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, and how will you be spending it this year? Okay, well, I do not celebrate Halloween, but I do celebrate Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I will be spending this year, and mostly every year, I have to say, we normally just spend it quiet time at home with family, and that's what we really enjoy. Okay, so we're up to number 7. What would you like people to remember from you this holiday season? Well, I would like for people to remember me for giving, for loving, for caring. That's really what I would like people to remember about me. Okay, so the next question is, what is your style of decor and color theme that you're using for these holidays? Well, this is a hard question because I absolutely love the glam, but I will veer off into different types of decor. I am eclectic, so I am similar to Lady Allie in this area, and I do change up a lot of stuff very frequently, but mostly I lean toward the glam. So question number 9 is, what are you most thankful for this year? Well, I'm thankful for having another day of life. I'm thankful for having my family. I'm thankful that we went through this pandemic and nobody was ill. I'm thankful that I have my mom today. There's so many things that I'm thankful for. The list can go on, but I'm just thankful for this day, and I'm just thankful for all of my blessings, especially my family. Okay, question number 10. Are you ready for the holiday, or how do you get ready? Well, I am never ready for the holiday and I don't know how. Some years seems to be better than others. My kids are no longer small. They're adults, so I don't really have to worry about little toys or anything like that. And I usually wait till the very last minute. I have no kind of organization at all in that area. So that was a hard question. So the next question is, are you having any series on your channel? And tell us what they are. Well, I don't have any series on my channel. I am new, so I'm starting out, and everything is really just about learning right now. So no, I won't. I don't have any series on my channel as of yet. Okay, so question number 12. Your biggest tip for new YouTubers? Well, I'm going to say that it is learning. It's just learning, getting used to YouTube, getting used to the things you should do and shouldn't do, but keep your support system, even if it's a criticism in one area. It's really for your benefit, for your channel to grow. So that's like my biggest, that's the biggest thing that I could say, because I'm in those shoes right now. Okay, so here we are at question 13. Show us or tell us about a decor item that you bought recently that you really love. That is something out of the norm for decor that you want to challenge yourself with. Either you have not tried it ever or in a long time. Okay. I have not bought anything recently that I love, okay? So I'm not really sure I can answer that question. I do want to challenge myself in different areas of decor and even different styles of decor, though glam is definitely my favorite. But that's the best that I can answer this question, and I absolutely love being tagged for this and answering the questions as honestly as I can possibly answer them. So let's jump into the video. So what I'm making here is a clear gem wreath. And what I should have did first, I'm going to say that's one of the mistakes I made here, is I did not spray paint the frame. It usually comes green. I should have spray painted that silver, but I didn't. It still came out beautiful, and I'm loving the way it looks. As you see here, I'm also adding some loose gems to it, and this would look absolutely great if you were hanging it on the wall, adding a bow, adding some kind of florals to it. So this is the way that I chose to make it. Right now I'm in the process of adding the loose gems. So let's watch the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're all finished with the wreath. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think the camera's doing that any justice, and you can embellish this any way that you want after. So now here is the reveal. So Lady Allie, I just want to thank you for this video, for this tag. And if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.